Welcome to Forest Bathing Finder. If you're watching this video, we will assume that you have registered for an account and are now ready to explore the many benefits that your subscription has to offer. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use templates to simplify creating walks for the same venue. If you're not already logged in, go up to the upper right-hand corner and click Login. Once you're at the login screen, put in your username, add your password, and click Login. Now that you're logged in, let's learn how to use templates to make creating walks much simpler. There are two places that you can create templates. You can create them from the Add a Walk page. After entering all of the information for your walk, you'll notice at the very end of the form there's a checkbox that says Save as Template. By checking the box and giving a name to your template, the information that you've added to this form will be automatically saved as a template for future use. You can also create templates by going to the View Edit Walks page. If I have a walk that I've previously created and I would like to make that walk a new template, all I need to do is click on Edit this walk. Once the information has been loaded into the form, I simply go to the end, click Save as Template, and give my template a name. I haven't changed anything in the form, so I haven't modified the walk in any way. All I've done is created a template from this walk. Let me show you how that works. Now, if I go into Add a Walk, we'll see a new field called Select Template, and we'll see the template that I've just added. And when I select the template, all of the data from that template is automatically loaded into the form. That will make creating my walks much simpler in the future. If I'd like to remove a template from the system, I go to Manage Walks, Save Walks, I find the template that I'd like to delete, and click Delete this template. I'll have to confirm that I want to delete it by clicking OK. And my template is removed from the system. And that's how you use templates to make creating walks in your Forest Bathing account much simpler. Thank you for watching this tutorial from Forest Bathing Finder. These tutorials are recorded to help you get the most out of your Forest Bathing Finder subscription. If you have further questions, visit us at www.forestbathingfinder.com.